I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you tell whether a niche has enough search-based demand versus browse-based demand? Here's the simple rule. Don't start with competition. Start with distribution. I use a 3-part traffic source test. First, the search test. Can you list 20 video ideas that sound like something a real person would type into YouTube? Think how to, best, fix for beginners, step by step. Then check autocomplete. If YouTube is suggesting those phrases, that's demand. If the top results are getting views consistently months later, that's usually a search-led niche. Second, the browse test. Ask, would this topic still get clicked if the viewer wasn't looking for it? Browse-heavy niches depend on curiosity, timing, personality, or strong packaging. If the title only works when it feels like a homepage recommendation, that's browse. Third, the velocity test. Search videos usually build slower and keep going. Browse videos often spike fast, then flatten. So when you study a niche, look for that pattern across multiple channels, not just one outlier. My beginner decision rule, if you can't generate 20 searchable titles in 10 minutes, the niche is probably too browse heavy to start with. Inside Satura, I'd put this into a niche scorecard before producing anything. Pick the traffic source first, then pick the niche.